Eliminate the cause, the body will heal itself. Ultimately, the body will heal itself if given the opportunity.
So what is the naturopathic philosophy?
Basically, nature cure, breaking it down to understanding a human being and why they're sick.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, that's kind of a big thing, but then saying, well, what's the cause? Can it be eliminated? If it can, okay, stop doing that behavior, stop eating that thing, and then your body will get better on its own. If not, then that's where you start to tweak it, and that's where it gets to be more complicated. So when I left school, I wanted to follow the true naturopathic philosophy of eliminate the cause, the body will heal itself. Ultimately, the body will heal itself if given the opportunity. And then I get into Washington, D.C., and it's a madhouse, and people are super stressed and doing lots of stuff all the time. And the biggest complaint I'm going to see is low energy, high stress, high anxiety. So you have to adapt to your environment and you start treating allopathically. So that's what we call regular medicine, allopathic rather than naturopathic. You have to find that happy balance within your practice and meeting the person where they're at again. Ultimately, we're trying to just use nature cure and let the body help itself if you can get the problems out of the way and let them do that.
Thanks for listening to the Adrian Sinclair Show. You can find previous episodes on the Apodcast multi-channel network at apodcast.com. You can also stream this podcast on Spotify, iTunes, Google Podcasts, Podbean, and other audio platforms. And if you subscribe to our weekly newsletter, you'll get convenient short summaries of podcasts you may have missed. So check it out. And lastly, please support us by sharing our episodes on social media. We really appreciate it. Thanks.